Assalamualaikum everyone. Recently I saw this drink served in different restaurants of China. They were calling it as Chinese medicine that consists of healing properties for flu, cough and fever, and I really wanted to aware that it's just because the sugar content is left, and when it's mixed with lemon and ginger it provides the properties that are good for relief for our flu, cough and fever. So here is what you can do is that you can just mix ginger, lemon and honey and your tea will be ready. That is natural.